Welcome to you all aspirant and curator in Kanha Math classes for 12th Math under CBSE board concerning to NCERT board. In previous video, I have tried to give a projection about vector product or cross product of the two vectors and their numerical and geometrical interpretation of A cross B by giving various examples. In that concern, today I am going to give a new concept under question number 2 in the exercise 10.04. Here it is given that a vector 3i plus 2j plus 2k and another vector is equal to I plus 2j minus 2k, and you have to find out unit vector perpendicular to vector a plus b and vector a minus b. For this purpose, we have to calculate vector a plus vector b, that's equal to 3i plus I, that is 4i, 2j plus 2j, that is 4j, and 2k minus 2k, that is here 0 k, and vector a minus vector b is equal to 3i minus I, 2i plus 0j and minus plus 2 plus 2 4k. Now simply we have to find out a unit vector. Unit vector means a plus b cross a minus b upon mod of these two. Hence, first of all, we will calculate the cross product of these two vectors. Cross product of these two vector, that is a plus b cross a minus b is equal to, in terms of determinant, I, j, k, and the respective coefficient of I, j, k. In first vector a plus vector b, we have 4, 4 and here 0, and the respective coefficient of I, j, k in the vector a minus vector b, we have 2, 0, 4. Now, in order to find out the cross product of these two vectors, we have represented this cross product in terms of determinant, having first row as I, j, k and the element of second and third row or 4, 4, 0 and 2, 0, 4. Now we will solve this determinant in terms of the element of the first row, that is I. I means 4 into 4, 4 into 4 minus 0 into 0 minus j into 4 into 4, 4 into 4 minus 2 into 0 plus k 4 into 0 minus 2 into 4. This is 4 into 4 means 16. 16i, and this is 2 into 0 means 0. 16 minus 0 means 16, minus 16j minus 16j, and here 4 into 0 means 0, minus 2 into 4 means minus 8k, minus 8k. Now mod of this, hence mod of vector A plus vector B cross vector A minus vector B is equal to under root 16 square plus minus 16 square plus minus 8 square. This is equal to 16 square means 256 plus 256 and here plus 64. This will be equal to 6, 6, 12 and 4, 16, 1, 6, 5, 11 and 6, 17 and this is 3 plus 2, 576, that is equal to 24. That is equal to plus minus 24. Hence unit perpendicular vector is equal to unit perpendicular vector is equal to 16i minus 16j minus 8k upon 24. If you take common 8 from numerator, it will be 2i minus 2j minus k upon 24. That is 8 3 ja 24 and the requisite answer will be equal to 2i minus 2j minus k upon 3. या और यू में इंटरप्रेट सेपरेटली 2/3i minus 2/3j minus 1/3 k. This will be the requisite answer. Here you have given a unit vector A which makes an angle alpha beta and acute angle theta with coefficients of I, j, k. Then you have to find out the acute angle theta and components of vector A. You know the square of direction cosine is equal to 1, or you know cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Hence alpha is given actually this unit vector A makes an angle pi/4 pi/3 and pi by 3 and acute angle theta. Hence cos square alpha means cos square pi by 4 plus cos square beta means pi by 3 and cos square theta is equal to 1, or cos square pi by 4 means cos pi by 4 means 1 upon root 2 whole square. Cos pi by 3 means 1 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, that is square, plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here you will get 1 by 2 and square of 1 by 2 will be equal to 1 by 4 plus cos square theta is equal to 1, which implies that cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, that is 4 1 ja 4 minus 2 minus 1, this is 1 by 4, or cos square theta is equal to 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 square. Hence cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. This will become plus minus 1 by 2, but theta is acute angle, but theta is acute angle, hence cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means pi by 3, and the components are components are 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This is the requisite answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.